When you blame someone else, you say, I'm effect, and so the next thing that will happen, what hold it in place, is this thing that's called regret. Regret is the manifestation of blame. If you did not blame anyone for your condition, you could control your condition. So, if you don't blame someone else, there will be no time for you. You will never say, I'm too old, it's too late, which means regret. I wish I didn't meet him. I wish I met her before. I wish I didn't meet her before. I wish I didn't do that. All of these regrets is the manifestation of blame, because cause, which is you, don't regret. You just bring about the next thing. Yeah. You just bring about the next thing. You don't admit of being a chihuahua. You create chihuahuas if you want, but you are not the chihuahua.